Dips are one of my favorite upper body exercises to gauge strength and progression. When getting into a set position, make sure to line your hands up toward the back of the dip bar where it is widest if the goal is to recruit more of the pecs. Stack the elbows over the hands with limited flexion in the wrists. Use the lats and lower traps to keep the shoulders from elevating, and perform a small hinge to mirror a more forward chest dominant pressing pattern. It can help to look down at the feet. Descend until the elbows reach about 90 degrees or until you feel some stretch across the chest, and push as if climbing out of a pool. If your body weight is too much, consider using some assistance, like a band placed behind your hands. Avoid losing the hinge or forward lean, as this can transfer much of the tension to the shoulder. Avoid descending too low, as this can also put unnecessary strain on the shoulder. Avoid allowing the shoulders to elevate, as this takes away from the chest and triceps and also can put unwanted strain on the tendons in the shoulder. Start with a level of assistance to practice and perform dips compensation-free and protect those shoulders.